Parents, does your child know ABC but still find it difficult to read simple words? If yes, today I want to show you where reading actually begins. This is called phonics. Phonics is simply learning the connection between the letters we see and the sounds we hear. Let me show you with my child. What letter is this?
M.
Very good. M is the name of the letter. When we read, we need its sound. Can you say Say it loudly. Excellent. So remember parents, letter name and letter sound are not the same thing. Now let's meet our first four sounds. M, S, A. Is this?
M.
And its sound. What is this?
S.
And S says yes, just like a little snake. Say is this? Good. Today we are learning the short A sound. Apple. Say it with me. What is this?
E.
And its sound.
Ta.
Now parents, notice what we doing. We are not asking the child to memorize a worksheet. We are not rushing into reading difficult words. We are using 4 simple steps. See the letter, hear the sound, say the sound and repeat it. Now let's play a little sound game. Show letters randomly. It sounds
T.
ta.
Ta.
It sounds very. Sounds it sounds. Now let's make it a little more challenging. I am going to say a word and you tell me the first sound you hear. Listen carefully. Sun. Start with which letter?
S.
Say s. Very good. Apple.
F.
Very good. Moon.
Ma.
Tomato.
Ta.
Fantastic. Parents, this is exactly how you can practice phonics at home. And you do not need expensive materials or a long study session. Just give your child 3 minutes. For the first minute, show MSAT and let your child say their sounds. For the second minute, look around your home and find objects beginning with these sounds. For the third minute, play a listening game. Say a simple word and ask, what sound do you hear? And remember, please do not turn phonics into a test. If your child gives the wrong answer, do not say, no, that's the wrong. Simply model it again. Listen, sun. S. Can you hear s? Give your child another chance. Phonics should feel like a game, not an examination. So, today we are that M says S says s, A says ah, and T says t. And parents, remember this beautiful sequence. First, build the ears, then build the sounds, then connect sounds to letters, and step by step reading begins. This is day 1 of our phonics journey and I am going to show you exactly how you can continue this journey with your child at home. See you in day 2.